Hi, my name is Kevin Johnson, and welcome back to another episode of This versus That. Today we're going to talk about the difference between riparian rights and littoral rights. Now, this has to do with land abutting water. So land backing up to water, and what are our type of rights we have as it relates to that water. And we're going to kind of break it into two different categories: water that is not moving, and then water that is moving or flowing. So when we think about these types of rights, the first one we'll talk about is where water is flowing, like in a river. So that's going to be riparian rights. Riparian rights associated with land abutting moving water. We're talking about rivers, streams, creeks, bayous, anywhere where water is flowing. Now, conversely, we can talk about tidal bodies of water like lakes. So whenever we have water rights, lands abutting a body of water that's tidal based, like a lake, that's going to be littoral rights. Oceans, seas, ponds, and lakes, all of that is covered with littoral rights. Land abutting water that is not moving. It's tidal, goes up and down kind of with the moon, right? So that's the main difference. Riparian river, moving water. Littoral, like lakes, tidal bodies, water is not flowing. That is the very basics of riparian versus littoral. I hope you enjoyed this quick This versus That on riparian and littoral rights. Don't forget to check out our playlist where you can view a lot more of these videos on YouTube and on our Facebook channel. Be sure to hit subscribe so every Tuesday when we release a new episode, you'll be notified, and be sure to click subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to make it a great day.